Okay, let me show you how to make a butterfly knife with a 3D print. Okay, take this part, put it in. Now you want to take this little part and you want to insert. There we go. Now you want to get the other one and also put that one in.
Over the years, uniforms changing. I know that jacket. Well, that's what's so funny about fashion. Like, all these jackets come back out. I'm like, wait, that's where that uniform came from. Like, these little biplanes and stuff. Me and growing up, I loved.
There we go.
Yeah. And that's really sparked a love for that. That actually is what led me to aviation.
And that's how to make your butterfly knife. It's not sharp. Do not freaking demonetize me, YouTube. Okay? Look, not sharp. Children do not play with it. If it's sharp, do not play with it.
And I literally kind of broke down my tears and hated myself. Absolutely hated myself. Yeah. And then all my friends were kind of like, you're a faker, you just want to go home.